In today's video, we are making 2 delicious strawberry desserts. Before this video starts, please subscribe to Cooking and Style. Recipe number 1, strawberry cream dessert. Cut strawberries in slices and cubes. Now make smoothie out of 8 or 9 strawberries. Mix strawberry smoothie into half-cup cream. Add 2 tablespoons and beat it until it is thickened. Add the beaten cream into a piping bag. Now let us start the recipe. Add slices of strawberries into the cup. Now pipe a layer of cream in the shape of flowers. This is a very pretty way to decorate it. Strawberry ice cream to add. Add in the ice cream. Then again add a layer of cream in the shape of flowers. Now in the middle of the cup add biscuit crumbs. We crushed some biscuits and made crumbs. On top of that add vanilla ice cream. Add strawberries on the side. And then on top add the remains of the strawberry smoothie. Now add biscuit crumbs. Now top it off with strawberries and pipe whipped cream in the shape of flowers on top. The dessert is ready. Now finish it off with the strawberries on top. This is a very tasty and beautiful recipe that you should try at home. Now we are going to make an ice cream dessert using the same ingredients. Add chopped strawberry into the bottom of the cup. Add strawberries on the side and add biscuit crumbs. Add double cream on top. Add biscuit crumbs. Now add more cream. Add chopped strawberries and add vanilla and strawberry ice cream. Top it off with strawberries and now serve and enjoy. This is a very easy recipe to try at home and it is also very delicious. If you ever try these recipes, you will love them. If you have not already subscribed to Cooking and Style, please subscribe and like this video. Share this video with your friends and family. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching.